ShortsKing AI has just hit the market, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. If you're serious about leveraging AI to grow your content, stick around because I'll walk you through the most important features and why it's making waves in the digital marketing space. First off, ShortsKing AI is designed to help creators, marketers, and businesses boost engagement by optimizing video content for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. It's built to enhance your short-form video strategy by providing AI-powered editing and content recommendations based on trending patterns. Now, let's get into the meat of it. The first thing you should know is its AI-driven video analysis. ShortsKing AI automatically analyzes your video and suggests edits to make it more engaging for the audience. It considers things like video length, pacing, and even the most effective thumbnail suggestions based on current trends. If you're looking to take your short-form content to the next level without wasting hours editing, this is a game changer. Another major feature is auto subtitle generation, which is key for accessibility and reach. ShortsKing AI generates accurate subtitles in multiple languages, which means your content is ready for a global audience without additional effort. Plus, subtitles can help your videos rank better, as many platforms favor videos with captions. Let's talk about AI content recommendations. The software doesn't just help you edit, it also gives you suggestions on what kind of content is currently trending. If you're out of ideas or need a fresh take on your next video, ShortsKing AI can give you inspiration based on what's working right now in your niche. Whether it's the most viral music, popular keywords, or specific challenges gaining traction, ShortsKing AI can point you in the right direction. One of the standout features is video optimization for different platforms. Pakjanti. Not all short-form content works the same across platforms. ShortsKing AI takes care of resizing and reformatting your video for optimal display, whether it's a vertical TikTok video, a 16:9 YouTube Shorts clip, or an Instagram Reel. It helps you stay efficient, knowing that your video will perform well no matter where it's posted. But that's not all. ShortsKing AI's AI-powered audience targeting helps you reach the right viewers. It analyzes your audience's behavior and suggests specific demographics you should target for maximum engagement. This feature ensures that your content isn't just reaching more people, it's reaching the right people. Another thing to love is its easy-to-use interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. ShortsKing AI's clean and intuitive design makes it accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. You can focus more on creating and less on learning complicated software. Lastly, ShortsKing AI offers EO detailed analytics that let you track your content's performance. It shows you what's working and what isn't, so you can make adjustments in real time. If you're running multiple campaigns or videos, this feature is a must to keep things organized and perform at your best. If you want to give ShortsKing AI a try, you can do so completely free. Just click the first link in the description below. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and this one stands out in terms of ease of use and performance for content creators and marketers alike. To wrap up, if you're serious about boosting your short-form content with AI, ShortsKing AI is definitely worth exploring. I've linked my top AI tools that I've personally tested and recommend in the description below, so feel free to check them out too. Don't miss out on the future of content creation. Go ahead, try ShortsKing AI, and elevate your digital marketing game today.